Here is a question 2 of exercise 4.4. A box contains 572 gram of sugar. If we need 12 equal servings of sugar, estimate the amount of sugar in each serving rounded off to the nearest 10. Children, this is the example of estimating quotient. Okay, we have to rounded off this equal serving sugar to nearest 10. Okay, and then we have to do the division here. Okay, see here, 572 gram of sugar. Okay, and 12 equal servings of sugar, and we have to find out the amount of sugar. Okay, we have to find out the amount of sugar in each serving. Okay, now here when we round off these 12, so 12 rounded off to the nearest 10 becomes, tell me children, 12 rounded off to the nearest 10 becomes 1's place 2, it is smaller than 5, so 1's place 0 and 10's place 1 as it is. So 12 rounded off to the nearest 10 becomes 10, and here we have to divide 572 by 10. This is rounded off to 12. Now here we are going to do division. 572 divided by this rounded off 10. Tell me, 10, here is a 5. We cannot divide 5, so we can take 57. So 10 5s are 50. Okay. Now 7 minus 0, 7. 5 minus 5, 0. Then take these 2 down. We get here 72. Now 10 7s are 70. Okay. So this 2 minus 0, 2. And 7 minus 7, 0. Okay children. So 572 divided by 10 is equal to 57. Okay. So thus the estimated amount of sugar is 57 gram. Okay, estimated amount of sugar is 57 gram in 12 servings. Okay, like this you have to solve the word problem of estimating quotient. Now next example. Now here third example. There are 23 fish tanks and 643 goldfish are to be placed equally in these fish tanks. Okay, estimate the number of goldfish in each tank rounded off to the nearest 10. Okay, how many fish tanks are here? 23, and we have to estimate this 23 rounded off to the nearest 10. Okay, so how many goldfish? Number of goldfish 643, and number of fish tank. Number of fish tank 23. Now 23 rounded off to the nearest 10. Nearest 10 becomes here 23. We have to rounded off to the nearest 10 of divisor. This is a divisor. Okay children, 23. And 23 rounded off to the nearest 10 becomes, here is 3. So no change in tens place, 0 and this 2. So 23 rounded off to the nearest 10 becomes 20. And then we have to divide it by 643 by 20. Means 643 divided by 20 is equal to. We have to solve this 643 divided by 20. You know the table of 20. 21 is 20, 22 is 40, 23 is 60. Or you have to write this table here. 21 is 20, 22 is 40, 23 is 60, 24 is 80, 25 is 100, 26 is 120, 27 is 140, 28 is 160, 29 is 180 and 2010 is 200. Okay. So see here 64 is here. So 23 is 60. Then do subtraction here. 4 minus 0, 4. 6 minus 6, 0. Take down this 3. Here becomes 43. Now 43 means this 22 is 40 will. 22 is 40 means this 40 will come here, and 3 minus 0, 3. 4 minus 4, 0. Thus, answer we have to write here 643 divided by 20 is equal to 32. Thus, the number of goldfish, 32 goldfish. How many goldfish? 32 goldfish in each tank. Okay, in each tank. Like this you have to solve this word problem of estimating quotient division. Okay, now here in this fourth example, Sami has collected 643 stamps and wants to place them in an album. Okay, how many stamps? 643. The album has 82 pages. Okay, now estimate the number of stamps that can be placed on each page rounded off to the nearest 10. Means children, here 643 is a dividend and 82 is a divisor, and we have to estimate rounded off to the nearest 10 this 82. Okay, 82 page, 82 rounded off to the nearest 10 will be 80. Okay, and then 643 divided by 82, you have to find out the answer. Okay children, like this you have to complete this exercise 4.4 question 2, 3 and 4 in the notebook. Okay, thank you.